So it's the start of Pran Pratishtha in Ayodhya and it's day one. And Ayodhya seems quite excited for this particular rituals which is happening inside the Ram temple. But it's not just about the Ram temple, what's happening inside, but also it's about the story which is happening outside. Yes, I'm showing you the visuals from the Ram Sevak Puram, the idols which are in the making, and these idols, as per the sources, will be installed at the corridors of Ayodhya Ram temple. And you can clearly see the glimpse of these idols first on India Today TV, how beautifully they have been designed, the sculpture, the design, the way it has been made. It seems that this particular idol, the Murti, is showing an emotion of Ramchandra meeting younger brother Bharat out here, and that glimpse itself telling the story, while Lakshman, as usual, is standing behind Lord Sri Ram as here. And you see Lord Guru Vashisht out here, and various chapters of Ramayana are being portrayed in the form of these murtis, these idols. Though there Hanumanji here, as you can clearly get the glimpse of Lord Hanuman out here, Sugriv and many other, the Vanar Sena of Lord Sri Ram out here, stationed here. How beautifully they have been designed. Though, as I mentioned, they are in the making, so this is the cemented structure. They haven't been polished yet, they haven't been completed yet. So you can clearly assume when these idols will be completed and come over, then the glimpse of these idols will be majestically beautiful, and once they will be reaching the corridors of Ayodhya Ram temple, though the date hasn't been announced yet. But whenever they will reach, they will add to the beauty of Ram temple. With cameraman Gaurav Gupta and Mayank Samarth Srivastava for India Today.